How to deep copy a list? After E0 underscore copy equals list E0, I guess E0 underscore copy is a deep copy of E0 since it E0 is not equal to it E0 underscore copy. Then I modify E0 underscore copy in the loop, but why is E0 not the same after?
E0 underscore copy is not a deep copy. You don't make a deep copy using list. Both list ... and test list column are shallow copies. You use copy.deepcopy ... for deep copying a list. See the following snippet. Now see the deep copy operation. To explain, list ... does not recursively make copies of the inner objects. It only makes a copy of the outermost list, while still referencing the same inner lists. Hence, when you mutate the inner lists, the change is reflected in both the original list and the shallow copy. You can see that shallow copying references the inner lists by checking that it is 0, equals at B0, where B equals list A.
In Python, there is a module called copy with two useful functions. Copy is a shallow copy function. If the given argument is a compound data structure, for instance a list, then Python will create another object of the same type, in this case, a new list, but for everything inside the old list, only their reference is copied. Think of it like intuitively, we could assume that deep copy would follow the same paradigm, and the only difference is that for each elementary we will recursively call deep copy, just like Ngai's answer. But this is wrong. Deep copy actually preserves the graphical structure of the original compound data. This is the tricky part. During the process of deep copy, a hash table, dictionary in Python, is used to map each old object ref onto each new object ref, which prevents unnecessary duplicates and thus preserves the structure of the copied compound data. Official docs.
If the contents of the list are primitive data types, you can use a comprehension. You can nest it for multidimensional lists like
at Sukrit Kolra. Number 1, list, column, copy.copy are all shallow copy. If an object is compound, they are all not suitable. You need to use copy.deepcopy. Number 2, B equals A directly. A and B have the same reference, changing A is even as changing B. Set A to B. If assume A to B directly, A and B share one reference. Shadow copy. By list. List and column are the same. Except for the first layer changes, all other layers changes will be transferred. By column. List and change the other layers, except for the first layer. By copy. You will find that copy function is the same as list and column. They are all shallow copy. For much more information about shallow copy and deep copy, maybe you can reference here. By deep copy.